What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. And today I want to tell you about how, for my Floridians, you can receive some rental assistance and just go through the process to see if you qualify. So what I'm going to do is just simulate a person that's in need of rental or utility assistance and how they would go about answering the questions and getting through the process of registering to apply for the application. So as you can see here, this program began processing applications from May 17th, and it's a federal funded rental assistance program. So what we're going to do is see how you qualified. So first question asks if you're seeking assistance for rent or utilities for your primary residence located in Florida. Next, we go through the process of figuring out our household income using just a random county in this example, and choosing the amount of house members, which in my case would be 1. From there, you'll calculate and it'll show you the income limit for your county and whether you fall under that amount. So then I hit next, and here it asks you the question whether your utility is past due, eviction notice, or you're at a risk of not paying your rent next month. You then click yes if that fits. And from there, it asks you if anyone in your household experienced any of these financial impacts. And in this example, of course, yes, reduction of income, increased expenses, and qualified for unemployment benefits. The following question is asking if you're requesting Florida rental assistance for expenses covered by other rental utility assistance you've already received. In this case, we'd click no. And based on our responses, we're eligible for the program. So now that we've established that we qualify, what we're going to do is see the process of how to apply. So I'm going to click on learn more so I can see the requirements and just get a better idea. Here they ask if you are a renter or a business landlord. And right here, you gather your documentation, and as you can see here, this is the list of different things that you need in order to get through the process. And once again, this is for if you are a renter. So collect all of this documentation here if you have these files and you fit into this criteria. So identification, driver's license, birth certificates, passwords for starters. As you can see, there are a significant amount of different things that you're going to need. Considering this is an expansive list, I went ahead and downloaded the PDF. I will also add this link inside my description. So let's just move to the next step. What we're going to do is see the process of beginning. Read carefully because especially here, it says payment will be made directly to the business, landlord, or utility for applicants who qualify. Payments are determined by your lease agreements, associated fees, and invoices for utilities. So let's go ahead and start the process. So once you click start, you're going to be brought to a portal. If you already have a login, then you will of course just log into the system. If not, you would register. So here, once again, it asks you where you are. We're a renter, so we're going to go through the process. And at this point, you would put your first, last name and your email along with a password. It will then let you know that your profile has been successfully created once you've inputted your verification code from your email. All right, so after the verification, what we're going to do now is log in, and it will automatically have your login if you save the info and bring you to the next screen. All right, so as you can see here, it's asking for your primary information along with other details as well. And I'm stopping right here simply because I'm not actually going through the process, but I can show you some more of the different things that they're going to require. So as you can see, we have personal information like your social security number, your county, your address, the state that you're in, which is Florida for these purposes. And at that point, you would just simply save and continue. So this program has been out for a considerable amount of months since the legislation passed to give funding for different programs. And for those of you that didn't know about this, I hope this is something that can be helpful for you. And for those that do, Please let me know what the process was for you and if you've been able to receive this help. And as always, I appreciate the support. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll continue to keep on doing different topics like this if you enjoy it. And this is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. Peace, love, blessings. Take care.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
But this world is such a gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, I come to conquer.